Hey there, it's Mrs. Zonin again, and I am just going to show you how to get going with your infographic now that you know the Canva basics. So I'm just going to go over here under this search bar, and I'm just going to type in infographic. And it's going to give me a bunch of templates that they have already created that will make it very easy for you to create your project. Remember, the infographics are ways to graphically show your information rather than tell. So there's not like huge paragraphs, it's mostly going to be little icons, charts, numbers, things like that that are going to show your information. So you're showing rather than telling. So just pick one that's going to work for you. And I'm just going to kind of grab one here. Let's say that I am going to do this one. And it's going to open up that template. It's zoomed out. Infographics are typically long and narrow like you see here. So you can change your zoom so that you can focus on, the different pieces and parts that you want to change so that you can make it reflect your information. Remember, if you're showing statistics, you may want to change out these graphics for numbers or charts. And let me just show you real quick. If you did want to go into elements and enter a chart, it gives you a lot of options for charts. You can do bar charts, you can do line graphs, you've got, the wheel here. So all kinds of different things that you can add. So let's just say that I was going to add this one. And then when I do that, it's going to give me the things that I can change and edit to show that those different items, right? So I could maybe talk about the incarcerations by country, and I could have percentages here. If you don't want, and let's get this up here so you can actually see it. All right, so here's kind of what that would look like, and you don't have to have the wording there. And double clicking it is what opens up the thing. So you can just maybe, instead of having the numbers, you would have just the titles of each country or whatever it's going to be for you, right? So, and if I want to get rid of one, so let's say I only want 4 things on my chart, just getting rid of that will make it narrow down to the 4. So just remember, as you guys are going through the design process, that you want to keep your colors and your fonts to a minimum. You don't want lots of different colors. You don't want lots of different fonts. You want it to have that clean, very visual appeal. And I'm going to show you kind of the real world application of this. My friend works at Coca-Cola. She's an engineer there. She actually works to create new flavors and things. And she went through a job promotion about 2 years ago where she had to create an infographic resume. And so this is a very real thing. It's a real world application for you. So it's kind of cool that you guys are getting to do this now. Have these skills in your pocket so that you're going to be able to capitalize on them later. So I'm just going to click a random one here. But notice, instead of that traditional resume, you're showing the information. You're showing different percentages. You're showing your abilities, your skills, your timeline, but doing it in a very graphic oriented way. You only get about, they say, 10 to 15 seconds on a first glance when somebody's looking at your resume, so you want to stand out. If the company allows it, you can provide a traditional resume and an infographic resume, and that might be a way to appeal to the attention of whoever is on that hiring position. So just wanted to show you guys that this is definitely something that is a real world application. So it's really cool that you guys are getting to do this now and kind of starting to have that skill set. If you guys have any questions about how to use Canva or any questions as you're going through the research for this project, please reach out. You can always email me through, it's just melissa.zonin@cobbk12.org, and then I will be happy to help you with anything you guys have. All right, have a good day and good luck.